What up, guys? So before we start today's cool little video, go ahead and follow my new Twitch channel. If you guys like video games, Warzone, all that jazz, go ahead and follow my Twitch. It is Mr._SavageKiller. Yeah, go check it out. I do streams and stuff like that. I just started, so yeah, come help me, come support me. Yeah, so I figured I'd try and do some of that on my downtime. Yeah, stream almost probably 3 times a week. I'll probably be doing at about 8 p.m. So I haven't really got the full schedule down, but go ahead, go to my channel, click follow, and become part of my gaming community as well. If you guys want to sit back, hang out with me in the comments section, and just watch some cool gameplay and hang out. Yeah. So anyhow, guys, today I'm taking the car up to the mountain. So there's some cool tight turns, stuff like that. So we're gonna see. I want to show you guys how this thing handles on corners and stuff like that. I already know how it handles. Definitely doesn't handle as well as probably the wide body Chargers, but yeah, these are smaller tires as well than the wide body Chargers. So I'm running about 245s for the tires, and yeah, I believe they're like 305s or something like that for the wide body Chargers. A little bit better traction, but yeah, we'll have some fun. We'll go for a rip up the mountain. Nice sunny day, and yeah, let's get her. All right, guys, so we're getting it. Hopefully this thing will stay on. Yeah, let's get it. We got this thing. We'll just leave it in sport and rock up the mountain. Hit these corners like semi-hard. Sorry, the sun's just coming down, like the sun's setting, so if it's right in the camera, I can't do nothing about that. Nice corners going up here. Back window so you guys can hear at least a little bit of the engine. So beautiful out here. really fairly well around the corners. Like I said, you can't hit this thing too hard around really tight corners because the rear end's gonna be flying out like crazy. Like, we got this thing in track mode, paddle shifters are on, everything's on, traction is in street because that's the highest it goes. We can go in sport, but we'll leave it in street for now. But yeah, she handles fairly well. Like, with ease, it just goes around this corner, like easy peasy. It feels good. You guys on bikes here. So well going up these hills, man. Yeah, it was a really tight corner. You never want to go fast on that one down there because there's always people like that hanging out, biking and stuff like that. We want to be somewhat respectful, so I think this is a really nice corner. Like I said, we're getting to the mountains, so no point of being crazy here. I have no idea where I'm going right now, so. Alright guys, we made it to the top of the mountain. I'm just gonna show you guys the view here so you guys don't miss it. But totally worth driving over. That's the big road that we just ripped up and around. But yeah, this is the beautiful view from the mountain, from at least this point. Amazing. Well, we're gonna head back down. All right, y'all, let's go back down the mountain. We got some people taking pictures of the Mustang there. Kind of nice color. All right, we're gonna head back. These are nice corners. Yeah, easy to drive right into them. All right, this one's pretty friggin' tight. Oh man, so I've been up this mountain and hit all these corners with my Camaro, and the 2013 Camaro SS, man, this thing just hit these corners like hard. These corners were nothing for that car, man. This car is a bit of a boat. It's like, yeah, she can go around corners, but she doesn't want to go very fast around them corners. Open up that a little bit. Oh yeah, we're gonna hit this hard. There we go. Not bad. Like that little transition there with the corners, they can handle that really well, but anything tighter than that, it's a no-go. For that, at least going that speed, that's for sure. Alright guys, so we're basically down to the end. I'm gonna cut the camera off because we're gonna be turning onto the highway, and yeah, I'll catch up with you guys when I get home, back to the parkade. So, see you guys soon. Alright y'all, so I'm parking now, but we're gonna show you how hard it is to get into my spot. So we gotta creep up, park next to the wife's car, and then back in. So trying to hit the neighbor's tires. Then we just back straight up. I haven't tested driving backing up in there, but look how close we are to the neighbor's car. Like, it's just crazy. It's so tight. It's like parking a land yacht in the tightest space possible. Literally a lanyard. So tight. Hopefully I'm not gonna hit that. I gotta... Here, I'll get you off the mount. I'll show you how tight my mirror is. Yeah, we tight. Really tight. Like, I don't have much space, but with my mirror and that pole, it's pretty tight. Alright guys, so that's the end of the video. If you guys enjoyed today's cool little POV video, that kind of like a POV. Usually proper POVs are done with a GoPro. So I kind of missed my GoPro, wish I had it, could get a proper POV video, but did the best I could with this baby on the window, and yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed it. A lot of fun. I think the charger handles really well around corners. Not crazy corners, but you know, it's a straight line car, but it can go around corners not very fast, but semi-fast. But anyhow, guys, don't forget to check out my Twitter channel, and yeah, all that information is in the description below. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, this channel, of course, and like the video if you guys enjoyed it. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.